How to breathe correctly while meditating. Breathing is the key to meditation. Breathing process keeps your mind and body calm. It will help you find inner peace. In the early stages of meditation, you should avoid distractions. Make your mind clear. Simple breathing makes your mind more lucid. Plus, you will feel relaxed. Breathing techniques alone will help you maintain your peace of mind. You can even use them in public speaking, interviews, and other situations. While meditating, breathe deeply and slowly. Inhale the air as much as you can. Hold for a couple of seconds and then exhale slowly. Remember to inhale from the nose and exhale from the mouth. You can also try the powerful 4-7-8 breathing technique. For this, inhale for 4 seconds, hold the breath for 7 seconds, and take 8 seconds to exhale. You will find it so relaxing. You should feel the breathing at a deeper level. Feel your diaphragm, shoulders, and muscles. Keep your mind focused and see how your body reacts. If you find yourself wondering at some point of the meditation, get back to the breathing cycle. Alert yourself by commanding breathe. Stick to your breathing pattern. Be consistent. Breathe naturally. Don't force yourself. Feel comfortable. Furthermore, set a pleasant atmosphere before meditating. Set your phone in silent mode. If you have any meditation breathing tips, please feel free to share with us. And don't forget to leave us your feedback. Thank you for watching Utsav 360. We would really appreciate if you could subscribe, share, and like our channel.